What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and today I'm going to be showing you a card trick. Whoa. Hold on, what's going on here? Wait.
Okay, that was weird. But what's up, everybody? I'm Michael Six Muldoon, and this is a channel takeover. Today, we are going to be teaching you an incredible no-setup card trick that you can do with any deck of cards. But here's how it's going to go down. First, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to CardMechanic's content. Hit that subscribe button to get all the incredible effects that he teaches on this channel. And I'm actually going to be showing you the performance of today's effect. After I perform it, there'll be a link up above, down below, all the places that you can find it, and which you can go check out my channel. That's where CardMechanic will be teaching you how to actually do the effect. And while you're over there, if you're feeling so kind, be sure to hit that subscribe button to check out my content as well. But enough about that, let's get into today's performance. This is a wonderful effect from the brilliant mind of Aldo Colombini, and I think you're really going to enjoy it. Alright, so here we go. Here's what's going to happen. Like I said, it's no setup, borrowed deck of cards. I'm going to give these a few shuffles just so you know that they're actually mixed. I'm also going to go ahead and take out two cards here, my lucky cards, the Six of Hearts and the Six of Diamonds. And here's what's going to take place. The spectator will select the card. I'll go through the cards like this. They say stop anytime they like. Let's just say they stop here, and this will be their card, so they can take a look at that, and we'll lose it somewhere inside the pack, just like this. And again, throw in a few more shuffles for good measure, and we are set to go. Now here's what's going to happen. I'm going to use these two sixes, and I'm going to try to see if they can actually find your card, but we're going to lose them one at a time. So I'll take the first one, lose it somewhere into the pack, take the next one, same idea, it's going to go somewhere into the pack. Now, if I use about half the cards, we're going to make this hard for the sixes, because I'm going to take some cards face up and some cards face down, and we're going to shuffle those into each other just like this. So now we end up with face ups into face downs. But watch very carefully, because if you just wait just a second, all the cards will actually turn themselves over. Every card faces the correct way except for those two sixes. And here's the strange part. They actually went so far as to capture one card right in between, and you know what it's going to be. The spectators selected Five of Hearts. So there you have a wonderful effect from Aldo Colombini. If you want to learn how that's done, be sure to head over to my page. The link is down below, floating above, all those good things, and check out CardMechanic teaching it on my channel right now.